Now try to get me. Try to get me here. Anyways, what I wanted to say in this little recording is that hadn't it been for a white guy having a black friend, his business would have been looted. So in a way that I showed up at my friend's business, it prevented from people looting it. Now think about it. Just think about it. So if you're a white guy and you have me as, let's call me dark friend, brown friend, half black friend, or just black friend, I'm the same composition as Barack Obama, by the way. 2 tribes north, that's where Barack Obama is at. And he was labeled black. Anyways, so the difference is he was born in Hawaii, I was born in Kiev. So back to square one. Had it been for this friend who owns a business, whose office I was supposed to come and fix, if he didn't have me there, God knows what happened.
What would shopping look like if you could walk into a store, grab what you want, and just go? Welcome to Amazon Go. No lines, no checkouts, no registers. It's really that simple. Take whatever you like. We call it Just Walk Out technology. Once you've got everything you want, you can just go. Amazon.
So nice to be out in nature. I realized that we're not conditioned to be in negative situations day by day. But the world is conditioning us to be. And I'm only reporting the perspective, what I see, not news. Like I've been there in the middle, helping my friends with his office. Standing there, barricading his office. And, you realize that the crowd does not have control. They just want to go after anything. And when they see a familiar face, like dark looking face, black face, then maybe they stop. Maybe not. Sometimes they even trash those places too. So you have to look deeper and see, is this about Floyd or it's about just getting Nike shoes? You have to look deeper. Oh my God. Get used to get your fingers in pain because you may need them. Have to train fingers. Those are the things that get you through the life. Much love.